Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Gig where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we will discover the best commodity trading platform and apps that would allow you to trade assets like gold, oil, silver, agricultural products with ease and effectivity and efficiency. The right platform can make a big difference in how fast you execute trade, how clearly you analyze the market trends, and how effective you manage your strategies. So stay with me until the end, because by the time you finish this video, you would know exactly which platform and app can give you the best edge in commodity trading. We'll start by understanding what commodity trading is, and before we look at specific platforms, you will need to understand the commodity trading platform apps that actually would help us to trade the market. These are software tools that connect you directly to the commodity markets, allowing you to buy and sell assets like gold, silver, crude oil, natural gas, wheat, coffee, and many other raw materials. Think of these platforms as your gateway to global commodity markets. Without them, you are not and cannot be able to access the market or execute trades. They serve as the bridge between you and the exchanges which this commodity are traded. Now, the key feature you must consider when choosing the commodity trading platform are several important features, and we must pay attention to them. The first is the market access. You want a platform that gives you access to a wide range of commodities, not just particularly not just the popular ones like gold and oil. The second feature has to be execution speed and liquidity. In commodity trading, in commodity trading, price can move quickly, especially during news events or market opening. You need a platform that can execute your trades without delay. Now, the third critical feature is analytical tools. You will need charts, technical indicators, and abilities to build custom strategies. Commodities often follow seasonal patterns and respond to specific economic data. So having the right analytic tools is essential. Users' experience and mobility are also important. You would want a platform that works smoothly on both your computer and mobile device, because commodity markets can move at any time and you will need to trade while away from your desk. Finally, you would have to consider cost and fees. Different platforms charge different spreads, commission, and overnight fees. So this cost can add up quickly if you are an active trader. So understanding fees structure is crucial for your profitability. So the top commodity platform that would make each of them stand out is what we are going to look into. Now that you understand what commodity trading is, let's dive into the platforms that can make or break your commodity trading a success. Each platform has its unique strengths, and choosing the right or wrong one could cause you profitability opportunities and make your trading unnecessarily difficult if you choose the wrong platform. So we start by understanding the MetaTrader 4, which is the first platform we can use to trade commodities. The MT4 is the MetaTrader 4 remains the most widely used trading platform in the world. Even though it was released nearly 2 decades ago, this platform has stood the test of time because it delivers exactly what most commodity traders need without unnecessary complexity. What makes the MT4 exceptional for commodity trading is its reliability and straightforward approach. You can you can access the popular commodities like gold, silver, crude oil, natural gas through CFDs. With consistent execution speed, the platform rarely crashes during high volatility periods, which is crucial when commodity price spike during geopolitical events or event announcements. Now they also have the expert advisor system in the MetaTrader 4, which is known as the EA, allowing you to automate your commodity trading strategy. You can actually download thousands of pre-built bots from the MetaTrader 4's marketplace or hire developers to create custom strategies tailored to specific commodities. Now, this automated capability is particularly valuable in commodity markets that trades around the clock. The MT4 mobile app deserves special mentioning. The mobile version maintains almost all the functionality of the desktop platform, allowing you to monitor your commodities position and execute trades from anywhere. The app loads quickly and work reliably even on a slow Wi-Fi or a slow internet connection. Now, there are some pros and cons, and we need to look at these pros and cons of the MT4. The pros now is, first of all, it is extremely stable and reliable platform. Secondly, huge community support and educational resources. These are the pros. The third pro is thousands of custom indicators and expert advisor is available. The fourth pro is, well, it works well on old computers and slow connection. The fifth, the last and not the least pros for using MT4 is the mobile app maintains the full functionality as the desktop version. Now let's look at the cons of making use of MT4. The first con is limited to CFD commodity trading, no direct futures access. The second will be trading tools are outdated compared to modern platform. The third one, it does not support advanced order types like brackets orders. And the last but not the least, it's no built-in economic calendar or news feeds. Then the next platform we can use in trading the commodity market is known as the Interactive Brokers Trading Workstation. This is this is a platform that offers one of the most comprehensive commodity trading experience available to retail traders. The platform provides direct access to commodity futures exchange worldwide, offering everything from energy and metal to agriculture and livestock contracts. The TWS Excel is providing institutional level tools as retail prices. You can access real-time market data from dozens of commodity exchanges using advanced order types that most retail platforms do not support, and benefits from some of the lowest commission rates in the industry. The platform risk too particularly is sophisticated. You can set up complex risk parameter, monitor your portfolio exposure across different commodity sectors and use stress testing tools to understand how your position might perform under various market scenarios. Now let's look at the pros and cons of this platform. The pros, will start by assessing the pros and access to the global commodity exchange futures exchange are available. The second pro will be the lowest commission rate in the commodity industry. The third will be institutional level tools and data. The fourth is comprehensive risk management features. And the last but not the least, the fifth is the direct market access with minimal markup. Then let's look at the cons of this particular platform. The first one would be complex interface requires significant learning time, meaning you have to take your time to learn the the platform very well before you can make use of it in real market condition. The second con would be high minimal account requirement. High minimum account requirement. The third will be monthly platform fees unless you trade frequently. The last but not the least would be the limited educational resources for beginners. Now, these are the pros and cons for our interactive broker trader workstation. Now, the next platform that we can make use of in trading our commodity market is known as the MT5, the MetaTrader 5. And the MetaTrader 5 represent a significant upgrade from the MetaTrader 4, offering a more sophisticated tools for commodity traders who need advanced futures, while it maintains the reliability that made the MT4 famous. The MT5 adds capabilities that professional commodity traders demand. The most significant improvement in the MT5 is its support for trading different or multiple asset class on a single platform. You can trade the commodity alongside the stocks, Forex, even some direct futures contracts depending on your broker. The MT5 backtesting engine is dramatically faster than the MT4, using multiple trend technology to test strategies across multiple time frame instruments simultaneously. The speed advantages is crucial while developing commodities trading strategies that need to account for seasonal patterns and long-term trades. And let's look at the pros and cons of the MT5. The pros are it supports multiple asset class compared to the MT4. The second pro would be it is an advanced charting with 21 time frame compared to the MT4 that has 9 time frame. The third pro will be the built-in economic calendar and news feed. The fourth will be faster backtesting and strategy development. And the fifth but not the least would be the depth of market transparency. The cons are the steeper learning curve compared to the MT4. The second con would be not all brokers offer the MT5 yet. The third would be requires more system resources, and the fourth would be small community compared to the MT4. That brings us to our TradingView platform. How we can use These are the platforms that we can actually use in trading our commodities. Now, the TradingView has revolutionized how trading approach the technical analysis and the social trading part of trading. Unlike your MT4 and MT5, the TradingView is not primarily an execution platform. It is a web-based charting tool for analyzing and charting powerhouse that has become the gold standard for technical analysis across the financial markets. What makes the TradingView exceptional is its charting capabilities. The platform offers institutional grade charts that are both beautiful and incredibly functional. You can analyze any commodity from the crude oil and the gold to the agricultural products like wheat and coffee, all with the same high quality charting tools. The interface is clean, modern and intuitive, making it accessible to beginners while providing the depth that professional traders demand. The TradingView Pine script programming language also allows you to create custom indicators and strategies specifically for commodity trading. Unlike your expert advisors in the MetaTrader, the Pine script is designed to be more accessible to traders without extensive programming background. You can create complex indicators from seasonal commodity patterns, screening tools for commodity breakouts, and even automated strategies that can be backtested directly on your platform. And let's look at a few pros and cons for this platform. The pros are best in class charting and technical analysis tools. The second would be massive community of commodity traders sharing ideas. The third will be working on any device with a web browser. It works on any device with a web browser. The fourth will be Pine script for custom commodity indicator. The fifth pro will be excellent mobile app with full functionality. Now let's look at a little bit of the cons of this particular TradingView platform. The first will be limited trading execution capabilities. Full future requires the paid subscription. The third will be some real-time data cost extra. And the fourth will be no built-in automated trading execution. Now let's go into the last but not the least trading platform for trading the commodities, and it is called the cTrader. Now the cTrader is the cTrader is a modern gains the significant respect among the professional commodity traders due to its institutional grade features and modern design. The platform supports the platform supports commodities CFDs alongside Forex with advanced charting capabilities, level 2 pricing and an exceptional execution speed that rivals professional trading system. While the MetaTrader platform can feel outdated, the cTrader offers a clean model interface that still delivers professional level depth. The platform checks package rivals TradingView in many aspects while maintaining the execution capabilities that the TradingView lacks. The platform risk management tools are particularly impressive, and you can set multiple stop loss and take profit level for a simple trade position, creating trailing stops which with sophisticated logic and using advanced order types that helps protect your commodity positions during volatile market condition. Now the cTrader has few pros and cons, and that's what we are going to look at. Now the pros of the cTrader is it is modern, professional interface design. It has a modern and professional interface design, very clean, sleek and easy to understand. While the second will be excellent depth of market transparency. The third is fast execution speed with minimal slippage. The fourth is an advanced risk management tool. And the fifth but not the least would be the strong algorithm trading capabilities with your algo. Now there are few cons of the cTrader and would explain them in a bit. The first con would be smaller user community compared to the MetaTrader. The second would be limited broker support compared to the MT4/MT5. The third will be fewer third party indicators and tool availability. The last but not the least will be high system requirements than the MetaTrader platform. So these are the pros and cons and all the platforms that can be used for trading our commodities in the market. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you will never miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.